As we welcome a new day, we are presented with endless opportunities to grow and improve ourselves. Each day is a new chance to become the best version of ourselves. Whether it is in our personal or professional life, there are countless ways to enhance our skills and become a better person. Today, let's talk about the new opportunities that we can seize to improve ourselves as individuals. Firstly, we can take advantage of new learning opportunities. Learning is a never-ending process, and every day we can discover something new. It can be through reading a book, attending a workshop or seminar, or even having a meaningful conversation with someone. By continuously seeking knowledge and expanding our horizon, we can broaden our perspective and gain valuable insight that can help us grow as individuals. Secondly, we can challenge ourselves by stepping out of our comfort zone. It is easy to get stuck in our routine and become complacent with where we are in life. But taking risks and trying new things can open doors to personal growth and development. It can be something as simple as trying a new hobby or something more significant like taking on a new job or traveling to new places. These experiences can push us to our limits and help us discover our strengths and weaknesses. Moreover, we can also use today as an opportunity to reflect and work on our personal development. Self-reflection is a powerful tool that allows us to assess our thoughts, actions, and behaviors critically. By doing so, we can identify areas that need improvement and work towards becoming the best version of ourselves. In addition to that, today is also a chance to improve our relationship with others. Our interactions with people can have a significant impact on our overall well-being. By making an effort to strengthen our relationship with family, friends, and even strangers, we can cultivate a positive and supportive environment around us. In conclusion, today is a new day filled with endless opportunities to improve ourselves as individuals. So let us embrace these opportunities and make today a stepping stone towards our personal growth and development. Schwabidan!